Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs without breaking the yolk, only ways. Heat a non-stick pan on medium-low, melt a little butter, and crack the egg into a small bowl. Gently slide the egg into the pan and cover with a lid to steam the top while the bottom sets. Cook until whites are opaque and yolk jiggles slightly, then transfer to a plate and enjoy. Lowering the heat is the easiest trick to keep yolks whole and creamy. A gentle medium-low temperature lets whites coagulate slowly while the yolk stays soft and intact. Use butter or oil sparingly so the egg doesn't fry too fast, and cover the pan briefly to allow steam to set the whites without flipping. This balance gives you a tender white and a beautiful unbroken yolk every time. If you are enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos and recipes. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I love keeping my feet comfy while I cook. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Good tools make this method foolproof and repeatable for beginners and pros alike. A true non-stick pan and a simple lid give you control over temperature and steam, while cracking into a bowl prevents sudden shell surprises. Timing is short, usually 2 to 4 minutes depending on your stove and pan, so start checking the whites at 2 minutes to keep the yolk perfectly unbroken and glossy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.